Hello my loves, it's Kasia Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my catch-all planner, which is Beauty in Florals Classic Size Happy Planner, and it is for the week of the 20th through the 26th. I am going to be using various sticker books, so bear with me. I'm going to start with Rong Rong. This is one of the books I was missing most when I was all packed up. All of my books are back on display and I couldn't be more happier. So thank you for your patience with me. I'm sorry I'm a little out of frame. I will fix it in just 1 second. And while I do that, I wanted to say thank you if you are coming back to my channel and choosing to spend time with me, and if this is your first time, welcome. I really hope you like it here, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to comment. Just say hello so I can say hello back. That would be great. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and add this beautiful joy sticker and keep creating this spread. So we have holiday night with girlfriends. I'm gonna add this little bird because it's so cute. So cute. And then this coffee mug. It's just warm and cozy and I can't get enough of it. So there we go. I hope everyone is getting ready for the holidays and there's excitement and buzz in your houses. I always loved this type of holiday and season when I was younger, and I still love it. There's something magical around this time of year and people just seem a lot kinder in general. So I'm just adding some checklists out of the older Christmas book, and I think these are perfect. I could always use the checklist stencil, but I chose to do that with stickers. And then this way I get that colorful header that I really like too. Okay, and then we have a few more little things. So I spread out those checklists throughout the week so then I can go ahead and write in those as time and necessity arises. And I think that is looking really good so far. I really like Rong Rong Girls and that Christmas tree. It really reminds me of the magical time of year. And then we have a Secret Santa. So I just wanted to go ahead and put that. We are doing Secret Santa at work and exchanging gifts soon, so I wanted to make sure that that's in there as well. And that's the first day of winter, so hello winter. And then I'm putting Merry and everything. And I'm sorry about these foiled stickers, they're really hard to capture. I'm gonna go ahead and keep working on adding stuff. So I found these stickers with little packages of gifts and I really wanted to use it, so that's exactly what I'm doing, like so. And I'm gonna add them to the checklist, and I think it's gonna bring a little bit of life into these boxes. I'm adding that hot cocoa. Okay, so a few more things. I'm gonna go ahead and add just a couple more little trinkets to make sure the spread is complete. I know that a lot of people want their Christmas spreads to be so perfect. I think I stopped putting pressures like that on myself. And it will be what it will be. The planner is here to serve me. The decorating is expressing myself in an art form. So that's kind of the attitude I took about all of this. Okay, so I'm just flipping through the book really quickly to find the additional things that I want to include in the spread. Jingle and mingle. There we go, that's gonna go right there. And then that week will be super busy as well. I'm just gonna add a few headers. The magic of Christmas. So I'm just adding a few of those strips into the stuff. Santa Claus is coming. Okay, I'm gonna add some additional checklists. That week will be super busy for me, so these are always a saver. Last week was so packed I barely had any decoration on. This week with Christmas, it is finally loosening up a little bit, and I really like that, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep on adding those, because like I said, for me they're very useful. Okay, so I'm gonna add more headers like hot chocolate. You guys, what did you guys choose for the week of Christmas as your sticker books? I'm really curious to see what people create with. I don't really purchase much of Etsy shops, although I've seen some really beautiful stuff. I am trying to use up what I have for now, but God knows, every single time Happy Planner releases something, they get me. I don't know how, my willpower is gone if you mention Happy Planner for some reason. So, is anybody else like that? Because that's pretty devastating, right? I can't say no. Okay, so that's all I had for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I will see you for another plan with me very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.